California flannelbush, Fremontodendron californicum. This beautiful flannelbush is growing about 50 yards from a freeway in a swale where water from a small watershed collects. The species is in the mallow family, and the genus has distribution from Mexico to Arizona and California. It is described as a tree or a shrub because it can grow to 10 feet, but is generally shorter and has a wide limb pattern that reaches to the ground. All of the surfaces of the bush are covered with a hairy matting, hence the name flannelbush, because of its resemblance to flannel cloth. There have been some reports that these hairs are irritating. There is a cultivar of the plant called the golden flannelbush and is symbolic of the Golden State. Its most active growing time is in the spring and summer. It is a dense tree with abundant flowers that leave a visible sessile black fruit seed that is also hairy. The dense shape is supported by multiple stems with the dense, coarse palmate leaves colored a medium green sitting on top of a stem. The flowers are not petals, they're sepals, spreading between 1.5 inches to 3 inches across. They are basically a golden yellow with tinges of red, copper, or orange on the margins. The habitat niche is between 1,000 to 6,000 feet in chaparral, oak pine, or rock ridges. The soil has to be medium to coarse grained. The shrub likes good drainage, and its roots have to be at least 6 inches long, but will grow longer. The tree needs freezing temperatures for a few days, but thrives on at least 300 days of sunlight, with at least 13 inches of rainfall. The plants were named and collected by Major General John C. Fremont on one of his expeditions in California. The bark has medicinal uses similar to slippery elm as a poultice and infusion for mucous membrane irritation. A great plant to salute the history of California. California flannelbush, Fremontodendron californicum.